Hi everyone! Okay, so I will be giving you a DIY recipe, but it is really easy, and if you wear makeup, you should do this. And if you don't, this is also good for cleansing your face. When you're tired and you don't want to get up and you just want to rinse your face up, this is amazing for cleansing all of the yucky stuff on your face. Anyway, so all you need is witch hazel. I use this also for my other recipes, so you don't have to buy this just for this one. This is I use this for mixing oils up and water together because they don't mix up. So this is witch hazel from Target. You can also buy it from Amazon. Fractionated coconut oil, but I use grapeseed oil because I ran out of fractionated coconut oil. But this is good for roller bottles, like dilute oils together, and good for skin too. So yeah, lavender also. I love putting lavender because it's so good for skin and calms me down. And frankincense, good for blemishes and wrinkles and emotional support. But if you only have lavender, this is good too. But both of these comes in your star kit. So all you need is the fractionated coconut oil, witch hazel, and oils, and grapeseed oil or fractionated coconut oil, and a glass jar, and of course a reusable pads. I use reusable pads, and I suggest that because it's a zero waste. After you're done using it, you don't have to throw it away, and you can reuse it. Put it in your mesh bag after you're done and wash it along with your clothes, but put it in a mesh bag so it won't go all mixed up together with other small stuff. So that's it. Let's do it. Glass jar, put all of the pads in there. I have like 10 to 11 in here, and I put all of the ingredients in my measuring cup already. So I put oils in here, and fractionated coconut oil, and or grapeseed oil, and the witch hazel, all in a measuring cup. I will give you the recipes down here, but I put all of the stuff in my jar and just mix it all up. I love using this, especially when I wear makeup. I usually don't. I only wear when I go to church, but whenever I do, I love removing with this. Feels so good on my skin. Smell good too. So here you go. You can buy this from Amazon, the reusable pads. Love it. So that's so easy, right? So just put the reusable pads in the jar and just mix it all up in there. I put it in my measuring cup, but you can also just put it directly on your glass jar. So that's it.